Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to copy formula down. So as example, I will create number in here and then you can create again in another column. Now I will create formula, you can type equal, I will click this cell plus with these cells and you can press enter. So we have the basic formula in this the third cells. And then if you want to copy this formula down, you can click at this point, click hold, and then you can move to the bottom here. Release, it will be automatically copy the formula down. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial, how to copy formula down. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.